Hello everyone, this is Shani Kumar Gupta. Welcome to all of you online YouTube class. Today I'm going to teach you class 4 science, and that's chapter 2. Before class we have discussed about our chapter first. Question answer also discussed. And my dear students, you complete your fair of chapter 1, and today I'm going to teach you chapter 2. That chapter name is Teeth to Chew. Teeth to Chew. Okay. So, my dear students, in that chapter, we have read about sets of teeth, types of teeth, parts of teeth, and care of teeth. Okay, in this chapter, in front of you, that's one figure, and that's first front page of your second chapter. Don't cry, Gia. Believe me, you will soon get a new teeth in place of old tooth. It means here in the picture says, Gia, don't cry, very come soon. You get a new tooth in the place of old tooth. It is your milk tooth which has broken. It means which type of food you broken, that's a milk tooth. Okay, not a permanent tooth. Chew up now. It means cheer up now. It means that if milk teeth is broken, then after some time in that place of teeth, that old place of teeth, new teeth come. Okay, and that's here it's activity time. Draw and color of toothpaste and toothbrush you use at home. It means what you use at home, which type of toothbrush and toothpaste you draw here. Okay, next page here. Teeth are teeth are very important part of our personality. My dear students, teeth are very important part of our personality. If clean and white shining, clean and white shining teeth add charm and beauty of our face. It means if in your mouth teeth not available, then your face not look like a beauty face. Okay, and they give proper shape of our face and help us to speak properly and clearly. If the tooth is not available, then we can't speak properly and clearly. Okay, and they also help us to chew food nicely so that it get digested completely. Means with the help of teeth we chew the food nicely, so that's give digestive completely all food. Okay, and here sets of teeth, there are two sets of teeth. Okay, first teeth primary teeth, yeah, temporary teeth. Okay, next secondary teeth, yeah, permanent teeth. Okay, so we have discussed about first set, temporary teeth. Okay, my dear students, a new when a newborn baby has teeth, when when a new baby when a new baby born has teeth, when a baby is about 6 months old, primary teeth being to appear, they are called milk teeth. So that's here one question, what is milk teeth? It means which type of teeth available in baby in up to 6 months, that type of teeth called milk teeth. Okay, when the baby about 2.5 years old, it means 2.5 years old, he has total of 20 milk teeth. It means when 2.5 years to 2.5 years, 2.5 years old, baby about that's 20 milk teeth, and they are also called temporary teeth. They are also called temporary teeth. Okay, it means up to 6 months. Up to 6 months that teeth called milk teeth, and up to 2.5 years old that teeth called temporary teeth. Okay, they start falling on one by one. When the child is 6 years old, he loses all his milk teeth, which are replaced by a new set of bigger teeth called permanent teeth. It means when more than 3 years, more than, okay, it means more than 6 year old when child, and he loses all his milk teeth, which are replaced by a new set of bigger teeth, and that teeth called permanent teeth. There are 3 points. First, up to 6 months that teeth milk teeth, up to 2.5 years temporary teeth, and after 6 years which which type of teeth which tooth that called permanent tooth. Okay, next here permanent teeth. There are 32 permanent. My dear students, you will hear one question: how many total milk teeth? There are 20 milk teeth up to 2.5 years, and after permanent teeth 32 permanent teeth. Okay, and 32 permanent teeth, 16 is upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. They last for lifetime, and that's teeth for lifetime. They last for lifetime. If broken, they cannot be replaced. If your teeth broken that time, after that your teeth not replaced. Okay, it means permanent teeth when broken, then not then cannot be replaced. Next here, types of food. Types of food. Our teeth are different shape and size because they do different types of work. In our mouths there are different types of teeth. Okay, and all types of teeth do different work. And first is incisors. They are called the cutting or biting teeth. Cutting or biting teeth. Okay, cutting or biting teeth. So that's question says which type of food, cutting or biting, it means incisor. So incisor is, they are called, incisors are called cutting or biting teeth, as they are used for cutting or slicing the food. Okay, cutting or slicing the food. There are there are four incisor of jaw. Four incisor in each jaw, so they are 8 incisor in all. It means how many incisor there are in our mouth? It means 4 incisor each jaw. It means total 8 incisor in our mouth. Okay, and here, what are the two long incisor of an elephant known as? Here, that's both incisor of two. Okay, next here, canines. Canines are also called tearing. Also called canines. Also called tearing of the food. Tearing teeth. You also called tearing teeth, as they are used for tearing the food. It means what works of canines? It means that work of canines is tearing the food. Tearing the food. They are very sharp and pointed teeth. You know which type of food? Sharp and pointed. Canines. Okay, and they are 4 canines and 2 each jaw. There are 4 canines. How many canines? 4, and each jaw in 2 canines. Okay, next here question: why do carnivores have extra long and sharp canines? Why? Because due to uh, due to due to for hunting the animals, then food it. Okay, next here, premolars and premolars are the greeting teeth. Premolars are the greeting teeth which are used to chew and grind food into paste. It means that types of food types of teeth for using the grading is you also call the grading teeth. It means that work is grind the food and into a paste. It means grind the food and convert into paste. And there are eight per molars, 4 in each jaw. There are 8 per molars. Okay, and molars, next topic is molars. Okay, so next topic is molars. Means molars are 12 in number. Molars are 12 in number, 6 in each jaw. It means upper jaw 6 and molars, and lower jaw 6 molars. Okay, next here, they are bigger flatter. They are bigger, flatter, and brewed inside. They are bigger, flatter, and brewed in size. All herbivores have well developed premolars and molars, as they have to chew and grind plants part. It means that support of molars chewing the food and grind the plants part. That's the work of molars. And there are 6 molars in 6 row. Sorry, 6 in each row. Means 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. Okay. Okay, my dear students, and next day we have discussed about our next topic. Okay, so my dear students, firstly you read the all points. Read the all points here before from here, and you also write some difficult word meaning. And you, when you complete your fair, then you also write in your more than 20 word meanings, English to English and English to Hindi also. Okay, so my dear students, today we have discussed about sets of teeth and type of teeth. Next part, next class we have discussed about part of teeth and care of teeth. Okay, so my dear students, you stay home and save your life and continue your study. Okay, thank you.